Hey guys, what's going on? Hope everybody is enjoying the fantastic weather we're having right now. And weather kicked in, summer is finally here, I can say that I think. And that is a great news because it's less than a month, in less than 4 weeks away to our bike meet in Cambridge. That's right guys, Saturday the 2nd of June, first Saturday in June, which is next month. The bike meet is taking place in Cambridge. I'm gonna see all of you guys on your bikes and whatever form of transport you can get over here, and your mates and mates of your mates. Let's make this meet the biggest fucking thing that ever hit Cambridge when it comes to motorcycles. On this occasion I would like to announce as well that I've managed to pull two fantastic traders coming over to the meet. One of them is a good friend of mine, Knuckle Customs. The guy is amazing airbrush artist and all around artist anyway. He will have some paintings he done for sale. Maybe you'll be able to have a chat with him about, you know, some stuff you want to done on your motorcycle. Very much same thing I do, slightly different style. He does a little bit different things than I do. No competition. He's a good friend of mine. I'll be very happy to have him on the meet. And the other guy is a very good friend of mine as well, String from Raw Steel Choppers. And the guy specializing in building motorcycle frames or just customizing motorcycles in general. Amazing fabricator, amazing welder, very good lad, very friendly person as well. So he'll be having his stand over there, and probably he'll bring a few bikes, you know, just to showcase what he can do. And also you'll be able to have a chat with him about any future builds, any ideas, or just exchange some, you know, tips, whatever. Very good guy to know. So as I said, Knuckle Customs, airbrush artist, and Raw Steel Choppers, which is a chopper builder, basically frame builder and all metal fabricator, kind of fantastic stuff. On top of that, I'll be having my little stand. I'll make some things for you guys to buy. I'll be doing pinstriping on the day as well, so you can find me on the venue and you can have a chat about anything really, and we can drink some beer as well. Why not? The main point of this video is I want you to guys post a comment below where you're coming from. Basically, it's the way I look at it, it's always better to ride in a group. So why don't you guys message each other when you're coming from, let's say, Manchester. There's gonna be probably a couple of you coming from Manchester, or up north, you know, this way, or down south, whichever way you're coming from. Post a comment below which way you're coming from, which route you're going to be taking, so the other guys, when they see it, when they read it, they can contact you, and maybe you can arrange like a meeting point for a bigger group, so that you ride on together over here, what times as well. I'll leave it up to you. I think it's a good idea to just kind of post below where you're coming from, what time you'll be getting there, which roads you'll be taking, and maybe there's some meeting points, some junctions, and the McDonald's here or petrol station there, I don't know. Arrange it between yourself. I think it would be good to ride in a group together, but if you prefer riding individually, then absolutely that's fine. I'll leave it with you guys. Post a comment below and see whether we can organize whether you can organize a bigger ride up together so we can meet in Cambridge. That is it for today. Very short video, just a reminder that it's less than a month away, our bike meet in Cambridge, and I'm really aiming, working with my friends, to make it the biggest fucking thing that hit this little town when it comes to motorcycles anyway. Let's make it fucking amazing. I am very looking forward to it. The weather is nice, hopefully it's gonna stay this way. Fingers crossed. That's about it guys. I'm gonna grab a beer because I think I'm drunk and all. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Have a beer, rock hard, and I'll see you very soon. Definitely I'll see you on a Saturday the 2nd of June.